You don't need motivation. You don't need discipline. You need one simple brain hack to make boring tasks feel addictively satisfying. Because the truth is, your brain isn't lazy, it's bored. And today, I'll show you how to flip the switch. You've been told boring work just needs more willpower. Just push through, they say. But that's like trying to drag a dead horse, it's painful, and it doesn't move. The real problem? Your brain's dopamine system is hijacked by instant rewards, endless scrolling, shiny notifications, easy entertainment. That's why emails, spreadsheets, studying, or tidying your room feel like torture. You don't hate the task. You hate the feeling of emptiness it brings, because your brain sees no immediate payoff. But what if you could make your brain crave boring tasks? Let me show you how. Step 1, the micro-reward loop. Break your boring task into micro-steps. Every 5 minutes of focused work, give yourself a tiny, intentional reward, a sip of your favorite drink, a single piece of chocolate, or 30 seconds of a song you love. Why? Because your brain needs evidence that effort leads to pleasure, instantly. This hijacks your dopamine pathways, rewiring your mind to associate boring tasks with quick, positive feedback. I used to spend hours staring at blank screens, trying to write reports that felt like chewing glass. I'd promise myself I'd start in 5 minutes. Then, 5 hours later, I was still stuck, hating myself for procrastinating. Everything changed the day I set a 5-minute timer and told myself, just start. Then I'll earn a reward. 5 minutes turned into 10, then 20, and for the first time, I felt momentum instead of misery. But there's one more trick that makes boring tasks almost exciting. Step 2, gamify the mundane. Turn the task into a game. Compete against your past self. How many emails can you clear in 10 minutes? Can you type 200 words before the timer beeps? Think of it like leveling up in a video game. Your brain loves progress bars and points. And once you gamify the task, boredom turns into challenge. You're not lazy. You're just unchallenged. Your brain craves progress, not punishment. And the moment you give your mind instant rewards and playful competition, boring tasks stop feeling like death, and start feeling like a mission. So don't just save this video. Right now, pick your most boring task, set a 5-minute timer, and run the experiment. See how fast your mind adapts when you trick it into loving what it once avoided. If this hit you, share it with someone drowning in procrastination,